Cool Kicks YouTube channel, we are back and we out in Torrance. Dang, Friday evening and it's dead up in here. Dead just meaning like nobody's here. Dang. Do have 20% off the back wall. So curious to see how much this goes for, because we can find some steals on Nike by You dunks. Size 13. Oh, they getting 160 for it. These normally go for 170. Size 13. Did a pretty good job on these. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. Who did this? Who did this? Angel. Doggy, you didn't do bad at all on these. Panda with the blue on it. Remember, Nike by You do get that nice leather. Definitely not a cheap Panda dunk. But yeah, 160, 20% off. This is in the size 10 area, so I don't know why the 13 was right here. Got some Gore-Tex Jordan 1s, go for $2. Size 11 right here. Infrared 7s, the white infrared 7s, go for retail. Jordans right here. I was like, it doesn't say golf. Why doesn't it say golf? What the hell? Jordan 12, cherry lows, and it is a golf right here. If you do sole swaps, that would be so fire, and it's 175. That was a 9.5, size 9 right here. LeBron 20 is going for $160. Tavelio's going for 120. That's a 9.5. Got some Forces right here with some splatter paint. Or is that the Galaxy, huh? Space 135, size 9.5. Size 9, 6 ring boots, or are these the winterized? These are winterized 6 rings. Pretty much boots. Very boot-esque. But yeah, what are these going for? 140, size 9. Women's GT cut 3s right here. Pretty decent colorway, 190. And it's women's because it says a W, and then the women's size is up top. Usually the men's size on top for men's shoes. Icon 8's 110. These are size 10. I got Air Force 1 high. Billie Eilish right here, 150. I have a feeling they're cheaper. I'd get it scanned if you like those. 140 for these, size 10. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's 12.5, going for $100. Do see some Jordan 3s. These are the craft ones. 210 for these. These are size 9. These are just hella clean. And so happy to see Jordans for 20% off. These are size 9 right here. More white infrareds. These are 9 as well. Jump into the clearance section for the clothing. And do get 30% off. 30% off. Got some super thin. Is this fleece? Is that even considered fleece? Jersey material. $45 for that. $125 for these. Is this tech fleece? Yep, tech fleece. Got some khaki type of pants right here that are slim fit. $54. That extra 30 off, not bad. Probably part of Nike Golf. This one is right here. This is a thicker. So these are slacks. This is a khaki. $65 for those. Those things like about to fall apart. Holy cow! You just barely touch it, and like it's about to fall over. That's funny. You got some golf pants right here. These are going for $65, $34, $32. Tech fleece right here. $125 though. At least you get 30% off. But tech fleece, I would definitely go to the clearance store if you got one of those near you. 3XL, $92 for those. More beloved tech fleece stuff right here. $130. That's a triple XL. All right, back to the mediums right here. I love these shorts, but it's already faded. The black fleece, it just fades so freaking quick. There's a premium, $85. Has regular pockets and then a back pocket. Does have the zipper on it. More Jumpman fleece shorts right here. These are both smalls, man. Nobody need to know. Oh, this is a large. This is short as hell for a large. I swear I thought it was a small. $45 for that. And then got one. These pants are so weird. These pants are so freaking weird because they're not like traditional cargos, because the pockets are way up here and then it's short. It's just short. Your things hanging out right there. Like, just weird. These are weird. And I bet you this is a large. It's a 40 too. It's a size 40. Super huge and super short, dude. Hell. Checking the tops. You got a Therma fit right here, $140. Pretty much full price. Is this the real tree? I think it's the real tree. No, it's thinner. But yeah, 75 for this dry fit pullover. Oh, got that pea coat looking thing. And this is a double XL. And it feels super nice. It's like the dry fit material. It just fits super nice. 2 bills for that. Got the holiday sweatshirt, faux holiday sweater. It is a sweatshirt material, 42 for that one. It's an XL. Size a lot. I was like, is this the Air Max 90 Big Bubble? No, not really. Not really. What is this? The Air Max IVOs? Go for 80. Got the LeBron 21s. They are asking for full price. At least they give you a full box. For full price, minus 20% for the. Really? These are on sale at the retail shops, yo. 6 rings go for 90. The Neapolitan 6 rings, I guess. All right, that was like the size 11. 11 have the size 12 right here. Some people call these the Freddy Cougar dunks. I disagree. 115. Wannabe Air Max Bacon dunks right here. These are 10.5, no price tag. Some Terminator highs. And these actually look kind of dope. Tons of suede on these bad boys. And got some pretty cool laces. Got that powder blue. University blue? No, photon blue. Yeah, 135 for those. 11.5 forces right here. They've been worn. Have they not been worn? I don't know. But you get 20% off. They do look like they've been worn. That's usually what happens after one wear, even trying them on. In my opinion, that's the way it looks. 115. At least you get 20 off. Nike by Use right here. I guess the older Pegasus. Yeah, the Pegasus. OG Pegasus right here. The 89s or something. What sound is that? I hear sound in the background. But yeah, they're okay. I don't know why you would do a Nike by You of this one. But it is $100. These are size 13. Be True Cortez. I don't see too many people wanting that. $60, size 11. Size 14, got one of these Air Max 90s. And yeah, we get the price $90. Remember, you did get an extra 20 off. Metcon 8s, we see the extended size pricing, 90 for those. Metcon 8s, 75 for these right here. Size 14. They just turned the music off. I didn't realize what time it was. They close at 8 o'clock here apparently now. I do got the GT jumps right here. Size 13 regular price. Got the Jordan 1s right here. Go for 125. And then do got some big Feet Gang stuff right here. Size 17s. Going for $100. Not seeing too much worth showing y'all. Checking out some of the smaller sizes. The size 10, 150 for those. Still got these. More size 9s. Got these in a size 8. These must have left the aisles recently. 129 for these. They blocked out that person's name right here. Some Pegasus. Dang it. 130 for those. Forces down here. 8.5, 140. I'm gonna see what's going on in the aisles right here. Got a bunch of the generics. Zoom Freak 5s, remember, if it ends in a 9.7, and they do have a clearance sale on the back walls. You get that sale price on these too, so you get 20% off of those. Zoom Freak 5s, we've been seeing a ton of those. Katy Trey 5.9s right here. Witnesses. Got Blazers right here. These are the vintage 77s. Get 20% off these bad boys. 48 for these. Another one right there. Air More Up Tempos. Air Max 270s, Air Max 2017s. Been seeing a bunch of these. Third one right here. Airspan 2s, mostly blue. All white Air Max 90s. Terra Escapes going for 20% off. Air Force One highs. Did forget to check the end cap to see if they had anything. Not really. Then running section, they have a ton of the generics like Revolution 6s. That type of stuff over here. Checking out the women's section. Do got one of the latest releases, Jordan 1 High. I thought these were 85, but they're not. Just a Jordan 1 High OG. This is a women's sizing right here. And yeah, material not bad on these. If you like gold, if you like white, not bad. 180. These are size 12. These are 10.5 men's. And you get 20% off. Neapolitans right here. These are an actual Jordan 11, unlike the 6 rings over there. $225 for those. That's a size 11 and a half, size 10 men's. Jordan 1 Low OG. These are an SE. Okay. $125, size 12. Didn't we see this in the men's? Yeah, these are 10 and a half men's. Go for 90. The extended size priced it. Smaller sizes. Got some dunks. Go for what, $119.99. There's like 8 price tags right there. That is a size 8.5 women's. More of these dunks. Go for 120. Yep. Infinity Run 4s right here. Go for 160. I did give a couple of these. I gave one to my kiddo, and then I gave one to one of the nephews. Grabbed them for way cheap. Invincible Run Flynet 3s. Go for 180. Yeah, these are way too high. Infinity Run Flynet 3s. 130 for those. Got 11. I got 11 minutes for you guys. Dude got a hodgepodge of stuff right here. I was seeing if there was a sales tag. No, Nike Elite backpacks go for 80 something, $87. Because some of this stuff does have sales tags. That's why I was like, hey, let me check. Fleece jackets right here, get 30% off. Pretty thin, pretty thin. Yeah, 135. You should get a little discount. What about this one right here? This pullover right here, $50 for these. 50% off the polos right here. These polos go for $35. 50% off, not bad. Show you guys what I'm wearing. I've been out of the house since, what, like 9 a.m. I think? But yeah, went to, what, 5 different dealerships? 4 different dealerships, something like that. But yeah, that's, what are these? The 2019? Vapor Max 2019s. And then do got, what is this? Laker pants? Yeah, Pro Standard Laker pants. Got some Nike, what is this? Nike Tech Fleece. They are starting to close up. But yeah, I don't really see too much. They got running stuff on sale. They always got running stuff on sale. A little more of a uppity neighborhood. So they got running and yoga stuff. Yoga pants. 30% off. 30% off. Off of what price though? Because these are shorts. $45 for yoga shorts, really? At least you get 30 off. And then you get yoga full pants right here going for $55. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Sorry guys, missed a few days because yeah, I went to what, 6, 7, 8 dealerships this week. Been busy, took time off of work to even go to the dealerships. And yeah, man, that's pretty much about it, dude. Pretty much about it. Did drive around with the Dodge today. Probably not gonna see this much anymore because I did get my car. But yeah, y'all will probably see that later this week because yeah, I might have to hit up some shops. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned. FYI, if you guys do get a used car, if you guys purchase a used car, make sure you guys get a pre-purchase inspection. He's looking over the car for me. He put it on the lift and everything. Yeah, make sure you get one, dude. Our mechanic did find that it's been in an accident. It has, and if it showed up on the Carfax maybe, but they hit it on the Carfax. You see all kinds of Bondo. The shape here is different. Yeah, it's been an accident. Guess I'm gonna move on to the next one, dude. I'll search somewhere else. All right. Air Force One High Billy Elliott's. Did I call them Billy Elliott's again? The black fleece just flaked. Tons of